the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy. Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be bossy. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Cajun dirty rice. The ingredients that we're going to need are 1 pound of Italian sausage, 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce, 1 small green bell pepper, 1 small red bell pepper, 1 small onion, 1/4 cup of chopped parsley, 1 celery stalk, 2 bay leaves, Tony CHACHERES, Creole seasoning, black ground pepper, 4 garlic cloves, 5 cups of chicken broth, and 1.5 cups of long grain rice. Okay guys, I have all my veggies and all my ingredients prepared, measured out, and ready to go. Next, we're going to go ahead and put some olive oil in our pan and let it heat up. And we're going to add our Italian sausage. Okay guys, I've added olive oil to my skillet, and we're going to put our Italian sausage straight into the skillet like this, and we're going to let it go ahead and brown and get crispy underneath before we turn it. Okay guys, this is what your sausage should look like on each side. Nice and crispy, and you should have your heat at medium. And we're going to cook this until we don't see any pink. Okay guys, this is what your sausage should look like on each side. Nice and crispy. And you should have your heat at medium. And we're going to cook this until we don't see any pink. Alright guys, next we're going to go ahead and take our wooden spatula and start breaking this apart and cooking it until all the meat is done. Okay guys, now that your Italian sausage has browned, you want to go ahead and add all your veggies in. We're going to add our onion, green pepper, red pepper, our celery. And you want to go ahead and mix that in and let that go ahead and saute down. I'm telling you guys, the smell of the sausage alone will have your mouth watering. It smells so good. So go ahead and let your vegetables saute. I'm going to put them on medium heat and start to get soft. Then we'll move to our next step. Okay guys, while everything is sauteing, we're going to go ahead and move everything over, and we're going to add our Worcestershire sauce. And now go ahead and mix real good. Get that all coated. Continue sauteing until you see your veggies start to soften up. Okay guys, look how beautiful that is, all the vibrant colors. Next, we're going to go ahead and add our 4 garlic cloves. And mix very well. And at this time guys, if you want to add salt, I'm not, because we're watching our salt intake. You can, and you can get you some ground black pepper. Add that in as well at this time. It smells so good. That's beautiful. Okay guys, next we're going to add our long grain rice. Go ahead and mix that up and brown for 2 to 3 minutes. Mix it up real good. Get it coated. Get all the juices from the veggies, the sausage. And just go ahead and let that brown. Okay guys, next I'm going to be adding our chicken broth. That was 4 cups. And this is the 5th one. Go ahead and give that a stir. Now at this time we're going to raise our heat up so it can start to boil. And what you want to do is add your Creole seasoning in it, and also your 2 bay leaves. And give that baby a stir. Look at that. It smells very good. I know I keep saying it, but this is, I don't know, the aroma on it is smelling very good. Okay, once it starts to boil, we're going to go ahead and put our lid on it and turn the heat down to medium low, and we're going to let it go ahead and simmer for 25 minutes. Okay guys, you can see it's boiling. So we're going to add our lid on top. We're going to lower down our heat, and we're going to cook it for 25 minutes until all the liquid is absorbed. Okay guys, let's take a look. Our dirty rice is done. We're going to go ahead and take out these bay leaves. And I'm going to add some parsley, just for color. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? A little bit more. And I'm going to go ahead and mix that up. And you guys, you can see it's done. All the liquid is out of it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and plate our Cajun dirty rice. Okay guys, there you have it, Cajun dirty rice. Thanks for watching. Please come back again. Please like and subscribe. And this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.